We are starting to see the trees turn color, especially in the northern half of the state. This is a look at the foliage change underway in Dixville Notch. Meteorologist Matt Honig has more on what to expect this season.
With autumn in full swing, you can already see and feel changes starting to take shape. Soon these forests will be lined with beautiful fall colors, but this summer's extreme weather is likely to play a role in foliage season.
The last 4 years really we've had a pendulum shift between drought and deluge, and we really need that pendulum to stop in the middle for our forests to recover into a nice, healthy, unstressed state.
Jim Salge is a meteorologist and fall foliage expert for New Hampshire-based Yankee magazine. He says early pops of color through August and early September are giving him hints as to what this year's foliage will look like in New England.
All signs are pointing to late. All signs are pointing towards a little bit muted this year.
Weather plays a big role in how and when leaves change during the fall. Last year, a lengthy summer drought followed by cool September nights provided the spark for a vibrant array of fall colors. But this year, cold snaps in February and May, followed by high humidity and heavy rainfall this summer, could create a different look.
The leaves are changing color because as they start to die off, those sugars get trapped and those red pigments can go. But with everything so overwatered, they've become diluted. The sugars aren't as intense. We don't have as much energy in the leaves to really pop the colors this year.
You may have noticed in recent weeks, some trees are going straight from green to brown leaves. Salge says all of the water from this summer has aided in spreading a fungus.
There's been so much heat and humidity and rainfall that we've gotten a fungus in a lot of our big old stately maples. We've seen a lot of spotting on the leaves, premature browning, and falling.
Even though colors will be more diluted this year, it's not all bad news for fall lovers.
Because the trees are generally healthy, just overwatered, any tree that has avoided the fungus, there's really no impetus for the leaves to fall. So we think it's going to be a longer season, and it should make up for the lack of brightness. The weather this week is the best case scenario after all of the setbacks we've had this year.
While the landscape is still mostly green right now, up north, peak colors should start appearing within the next week or two, while southern parts of New Hampshire hit peak toward the second half of October. In Bedford, I'm meteorologist Matt Honig, WMUR News 9.